Hey class, I hope that you're ready for another fun and exciting week of learning with Mrs. Stokes. The last couple of weeks we've been focusing on change. Our first week we talked about how we as kindergartners are growing and changing and learning new skills. Last week we learned about how animals grow and change and plants as well on their various life cycles. This week we are going to learn about how animals change and adapt to their environment so that they can survive. So, our first book this week is about a chameleon and how a chameleon can change colors. Now, some of you might think that chameleons change colors to camouflage or to blend into their surroundings. And if you thought that, you're actually wrong. They change color for an entirely different reason. So read our book this week, Chameleon, Chameleon, to find out why they change color. Then we're going to read another book called Red Eyes, Blue Feathers. And it's all about how animal colors help them survive and meet their needs in their environments. So I want you to think about the animals around you and what adaptations or changes they have made so that they can be successful where they live. Have an excellent week, class.